Have you ever wondered why losing weight seems like an uphill battle? It's a question that resonates with many of us. Weight loss can often seem like a complex puzzle, a challenging maze of diet plans, exercise regimes, and lifestyle changes. Each day, we're bombarded with a myriad of quick-fix solutions and miracle weight loss cures, yet the scale doesn't appear to budge. But what if I told you that there's a simple yet effective hack to this weight loss conundrum? No, it's not a magic pill or a drastic diet. It's a straightforward approach that would help you understand your body, choose the right eating schedule, and sustainably adapt to a healthier lifestyle. So, are you ready to break free from the weight loss cycle and start your journey towards a healthier you? Stick around to find out why you've been struggling and how to overcome it. Unveiling the secret, the weight loss hack is intermittent fasting. Yes, you heard that right, folks. The solution you've been searching for isn't a magic pill or a fad diet, but a simple pattern of eating known as intermittent fasting. Now let's clarify what intermittent fasting is and what it isn't. Contrary to the popular belief, intermittent fasting is not a diet. It doesn't dictate what to eat, but rather when to eat. It's a cyclical schedule of eating and fasting periods. This could be as simple as skipping breakfast and eating your meals within an 8-hour window. Now you might be thinking, isn't skipping breakfast bad for you? This is one of the many myths about intermittent fasting we need to debunk. The idea that breakfast is the most important meal of the day is a common one, but it's not necessarily true for everyone. The key is to listen to your body and eat when you're genuinely hungry, not just because the clock says it's time to eat. Another misconception is that fasting means you'll be starving and lethargic all day. This is far from the truth. Once your body adapts to this new eating pattern, it switches its energy source from glucose to stored fat. This not only aids in weight loss, but also gives you a steady source of energy throughout the day. And no, fasting doesn't slow down your metabolism. In fact, short-term fasts may boost your metabolism by increasing levels of a hormone called norepinephrine, which helps your body use stored fat for energy. So if you've been struggling with weight loss or simply want to improve your overall health, intermittent fasting might be the key. Remember, it's not about deprivation or starvation, it's about changing when you eat, not what you eat. Now let's delve into how you can incorporate intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. We'll dive into this in the next segment. Stay tuned. Step 1. Understand your body and its needs. In the journey towards a healthier and fitter version of yourself, it's essential to start by understanding your unique body. Just like your fingerprints, your body is one of a kind. It reacts and responds differently to food, exercise, rest, and yes, fasting. This isn't just about the numbers on the scale, it's about how you feel, your energy levels, your sleep quality, and so much more. Think of your body as an intricate machine. Every gear and lever, every system and process contributes to the overall functioning of this machine. When it comes to weight loss and health, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works wonders for someone else might not yield the same results for you. And that's okay. It's not a competition, but a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Now you might be wondering, how do I understand my body and its needs? Well, the answer lies in being attentive and observant. Listen to your body. Take note of how certain foods make you feel. Do you feel energized after a meal, or do you feel sluggish? Does a particular exercise routine make you feel invigorated, or does it leave you feeling drained? These are the kinds of questions you need to ask yourself. However, it's essential to remember that while self-awareness is a powerful tool, it's not a substitute for professional advice. Before you delve into fasting or any weight loss program, consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide a comprehensive understanding of your body's needs based on factors like your age, sex, medical history, and lifestyle. They can guide you on the right path and help you avoid potential pitfalls. Self-understanding coupled with professional guidance is a potent combination. It's like having a map and a compass on a journey. The map gives you the lay of the land, and the compass guides you in the right direction. Once you understand your body's needs, you're ready for the next step. Scene script. Step 2. Choose your fasting schedule. Now that you've made the decision to try intermittent fasting, it's time to decide on a fasting schedule. There are several different types of intermittent fasting schedules, each with its own set of benefits. Let's start with the 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window. This could mean skipping breakfast and eating your first meal at noon, then finishing your last meal by 8 in the evening. Another popular method is the 5-2 method. This involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and then restricting your calories to 500 to 600 on the remaining 2 days. There's also the Eat Stop Eat method, where you fast for 24 hours once or twice a week, or the alternate day fasting, where you alternate between days of eating normally and days of fasting. While these methods might sound a bit daunting at first, they can actually be quite flexible and can easily be adjusted to fit into your lifestyle. The important thing is to choose a schedule that you can stick to. It's not about choosing the most extreme or challenging method, but rather about finding a balance that works for you. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change. It's about making sustainable changes to your eating habits that you can maintain in the long run. Consider your daily routines, your work schedule, your social life, your sleep patterns. All these factors play a role in determining the best fasting schedule for you. It's also important to listen to your body and pay attention to how it responds to fasting. If you're feeling dizzy, lightheaded, or unusually tired during your fasting period, it might be a sign that you need to adjust your schedule or that this method of fasting may not be right for you. Remember, the best schedule is the one you can stick to, so take the time to experiment, adjust, and find the fasting schedule that fits best into your lifestyle. After all, the goal is to create a healthier relationship with food, not to add more stress to your life. Step 3. Adapt and sustain. Now that you've understood your body and chosen your fasting schedule, it's time to move on to the next phase of your weight loss journey. This phase is all about adapting to your new routine and sustaining it for long-term results. One of the key aspects of this phase is giving your body ample time to adjust. Remember, your body is a complex system of interconnected parts, and it needs time to adapt to any new routine or diet. So, if you feel a bit off in the beginning, don't worry, it's perfectly normal. It's just your body adjusting to the new normal. Now let's talk about dealing with hunger pangs and cravings. These are quite common, especially when you're just getting started. But don't worry, you're not alone in this, and there are ways to manage them. One effective way is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full, staving off those pesky hunger pangs. Another is to keep your mind engaged. When you're busy, you're less likely to think about food. But what about cravings? Well, it's all about balance. Depriving yourself completely can often backfire, leading to overeating. So if you're craving something, have a small portion. Enjoy it, savor it, and then move on. Remember, it's not about total deprivation, but about moderation and control. And finally, we come to the most important part: consistency. Consistency is the key to long-term success. It's not about being perfect all the time, but about sticking to your plan as much as possible. It's about making this new routine a part of your lifestyle, not just a temporary fix. So, what's the secret to staying consistent? It's simple: make it enjoyable. Find ways to make your new routine fun and exciting. Experiment with new healthy recipes, try out different workouts, or find a buddy to share your journey with. When you enjoy the process, it's much easier to stick with it. With patience and consistency, you'll see the results you've been aiming for. So, gear up, get ready, and embark on this journey of transformation. You've got this. So, let's recap what we've learned today. We've delved deep into a unique weight loss hack that can transform your life. The first step is understanding your body, recognizing its unique needs, and acknowledging that everybody's journey to health is different. The second step is selecting a fasting schedule that works for you. It's not about depriving yourself, but about timing your meals in a way that works best for your body's metabolism. The third and perhaps most crucial step is adapting and sustaining this lifestyle change. It's about making gradual changes and sticking to them consistently. Patience and consistency are your best friends on this journey. Remember, achieving your weight loss goals doesn't happen overnight. It's a combination of understanding, planning, and perseverance. Remember, the journey to weight loss isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.